On my palette, I already have the three Primaries colors, red, blue and yellow. Now I am adding white paint. White isn't a primary color, it just makes colors lighter. Let's start with orange. I mix red and yellow together. Next, purple, a mix of red and blue. Green comes from blue and yellow. Now let's make a deep pink. Red mixed with a little white. For sky blue, I mix blue with white. Mix the pink with a little more red to create rich crimson. And from that sky blue, if I add a little yellow, I get turquoise. That's it for today. These are just some of the colors you can create using 3 simple Premiere colors. See you next time!